Hi everyone, my name is Farnag. I'm the technical manager at Yates Horton Ag. And today we have the second session for Macadamia technical presentation, and it's about crop nutrition and soil health management. At Yates Horton Ag, we cover products from three brands, Yates, OSCP, and Cecil. Our website is hortag.com.au. Cecil products are locally manufactured in Australia. Our factory is in Tasmania. We have warehouses around Australia with two main offices in Sydney and Melbourne. We also have territory sales manager based in different states. If you want to get in touch with them, you can use the contact form on the website, or on the same page you can find their contact details. My phone number is 0488088166, and my email address is farnak.noorbakhsh@cecil.com.au. You can also follow us on our social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. I will give you some information about balanced nutrition strategy for macadamia, the foundations, monitoring macro and micronutrients, seasonal plan, and our products at Yates and Horton Ag that might fit your seasonal plan for macadamia. When we talk about balanced nutrition strategy, majority of guidelines, they divide this to two different steps, the foundations and the next level. The foundations are about correcting the pH, building organic matter, fixing drainage, identifying toxicities, replacing the nutrients, and monitor soils and plants. And the next level, they're about monitoring, investigating, and improving to get to the system to the optimal level. This means a balanced program is built from orchard resilience upward, not simply from a fertilizer calendar downward. As we said, the foundation is about what to fix first. We need to focus on pH, organic matter, drainage, and monitoring soil and plant tissue and supplying adequate nutrients. The next level means taking the system to the optimal level without destabilizing it. And it has three main steps: monitoring, investigating, and improving. The logic is not more product. The logic is better orchard understanding, better timing, and better efficiency. When it comes to monitoring, we need to consider correction based on evidence, not guesswork, not routine repetition. We need to have leaf test analysis, we need to have soil tests, and we need to monitor all different aspects of orchard management like drainage, pH, toxicities, root damage, and make all the decision based on facts and data. In terms of macronutrients or major elements, nitrogen, we know it's very important for growth, but the timing and the right amount are very crucial. We don't want to push vegetation growth during reproductive stage. And we don't want to make any nutrient imbalance with providing excess nutrients, especially with nitrogen. Potassium is very important for crop quality, shelf life, and stress tolerance. Calcium is also important for crop quality, fruit integrity, cell wall strength, and stress tolerance. Magnesium is very important for chlorophyll production and photosynthesis. In terms of micronutrients or trace elements, boron and zinc are very important for flowering. So before we get to this stage, we need to ensure that we have a sufficient amount of boron and zinc provided to our trees. Iron and manganese, there are other trace elements that they become unavailable very easily with soil pH, antagonistic relations between nutrients, high bicarbonate, or when we have waterlogged situation. So the right message is not spray all the traces. Prove the need and then choose the most suitable tool. In terms of seasonal nutrient plan, We get back to this phenology or crop cycle that we discussed in the previous presentation. Pre-season, we need to review the soil and leaf data. We need to fix the foundations that we discussed already. And during flowering, we need to focus on flowering and pollination. We want to avoid any spray that might negatively affect flowering or pollination. During nut set and sizing, we want to have a balanced approach about crop nutrition. We want to provide a right amount of nutrients. We can focus on calcium, potassium, and trace elements during this stage. And during oil accumulation and late season, we want to maintain the canopy health and avoid any later stress that they might affect the crop quality or the next season yield. Post-harvest, we want to we want to rebuild our reserve, and we want to review whatever we've done throughout the season to see which sort of problems we had, how we managed them, our strategy was effective or not, and how we can improve our strategy for next season. At Yates Horton Ag, we have a range of products that we can consider for during our crop cycle or for our seasonal nutrition plan. For example, pre-season or when we are talking about foundation, we can consider dynamic lifter or AgriBoost or both composted chicken manure. When we have a stress or resilience window, or we can apply Sisal commercial or Acadian or Stimplex. When we are thinking about soil process rebuilding, root mass, microbial activity, carbon nitrogen cycling, we can consider Trilogy 631. And when we are dealing with trace elements application, foliar application, and we want to improve the stress tolerance, we can consider Trilogy Full Week. During flowering and early crop, boron, zinc, and trace elements are very important. During fruit set, calcium, potassium, trace elements, and nitrogen is if just if it's deficient, they are also crucial. Main products that we have at Yates Horton Ag according to the seasonal plan for macadamia. The first one is Dynamic Lifter. It's an organic product. It releases nutrients slowly. It's composted chicken manure, and it brings the whole bunch of improvements: moisture retention, microbial activity, water penetration, and carbon nitrogen cycle, nutrients release, and all other benefits around soil structure. AgriBoost is similar, composted chicken manure, a slow release, and also improving moisture retention and microbial activity, and it's composted chicken manure. Sisal commercial, it's 100% liquid seaweed. It's a unique blend of two brown kelps, Ascophyllum and Diphyllia, and it can prime our trees and prepare them for any possible stress that they might experience during the season, or after any stress we can apply that so we will have a better stress recovery without massive yield loss. It's very important to consider this during root growth and improving soil condition and priming our trees for adverse environmental condition. It improves microbial activity as well, and it can increase the water and nutrient efficiency. Acadian is also 100% seaweed extract. It's from Ascophyllum, highly concentrated, pure, organic, and it helps to lower the risk of productivity losses associated with environmentally stressful growing conditions, and it enhances root growth and resilience to plant stress. And the same as Sisal commercial, it can improve utilization of moisture and fertilizer. A Stimplex is the liquid form, and it enhances crop quality, yield, and hardiness. It improves the root and shoot growth. It boosts plant resilience to stresses and improve utilization of moisture and fertilizer. And it's 100% pure from Ascophyllum, and it has a very good range of major and minor nutrients. A Stimplex Acadian and Cecil Commercial. They are all seaweed extract, 100% pure. The only difference is the Simplex is the liquid form from Ascophyllum. Acadian is solid form from Ascophyllum, and Cecil Commercial is liquid from Ascophyllum and Duvilia. A Simplex, we have two sizes, 10 liters and 1000 liters. Acadian, we have 20 kilograms. And Cecil Commercial, it comes in two sizes, 20 liters and IBC. Trilogy 631. It has 60% seaweed extract, 30% fish hydrolysate, and 10% humate. We discuss all the benefits of seaweed extract, priming the trees for stress recovery, and nutrient uptake, water use efficiency, microbial activity, and root growth. With fish hydrolysate, we are providing organic nitrogen, amino acid, peptides. They are very essential for healthy growth. And with providing humus, we are building a healthy soil structure. We are providing the soil with organic matter. We are increasing soil microbial activity. We are improving carbon nitrogen cycle. And when we have all these ingredients together, it means we are unlocking a cycle of benefits that they not only work better together, they improve and boost each other. And this is for soil application because we will see the benefits of humate when we apply them into the soil. Trilogy 631 also it comes in two sizes, 20 liters and IBCs. Trilogy Full Week, this product has seaweed extract, fish hydrolysate, and fulvic acid. We discussed the seaweed extract, the benefits of fish hydrolysate, but this product has also fulvic acid. Fulvic acid, if you apply it as a foliar spray, it collates the nutrients that you apply as foliar spray and it carries them and make the uptake a lot easier. This product was designed for foliar spray and it comes in two sizes as well, 20 liter and IBC. Sea salt plus calcium. We know that calcium is very crucial for nut trees and macadamia is not exemption. Calcium is important for cell wall integrity, for fruit quality, for shelf life. And this product has sea salt and seaweed extract and calcium together. So technically you're priming your crop for any stress. If the stress happens, you will have a better stress recovery. And also you're providing your trees with calcium as well. This comes in two sizes as well, 20 liters and IBCs. The other option for calcium with higher percentage of calcium is AminoGrow Maxi Calcium. It's organic certified product. It has 12% calcium, 7.6% amino-based nitrogen. And it has organoplex technology to enhance plant uptake and assimilation. So if you want to consider a higher rate of calcium, which is very crucial during fruit set, you can consider AminoGrow Maxi Calcium 12%. Sorry. The other AminoGrow option for trace elements is AminoGrow Maxi Boron 8%, which is organic certified, has 8% boron and 6.4% organic nitrogen, amino acid based. And it has organoplex technology to enhance plant uptake and assimilation. And we discussed that that boron, zinc, and trace elements, they are very important during different stages of macadamia cycle. Boron and zinc, they are important for flowering, so we need to consider those applications before flowering. And other trace elements, calcium, potassium, they are very important during fruit set. Zinc is the other one that we need to consider to have sufficient amount of zinc before flowering. And this product is organic certified with 12% zinc and it has 5.4% nitrogen as well. There are other options that you can consider. For example, if you have nitrogen deficiency and you want to have an organic certified amino-based nitrogen, which is liquid form, and it's very easy for trees to uptake nitrogen from this source, you can consider AminoGrow Maxi N7. AminoGrow Maxi N13, it's powder form, it has 13% nitrogen, it's 100% water soluble and organic certified. If you want to apply a range of trace elements together without applying them individually, you can consider AminoGrow Maxi Combi that has a good percentage of iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, and molybdenum all together. This product is also organic certified. It has 7.4% nitrogen and it has organoplex technology to enhance plant uptake and assimilation as well. Iron is another trace element which is very important, and this product has 12% iron and 7.6% nitrogen. We know that iron supports chlorophyll production, photosynthesis, nitrogen uptake, and we know that iron can get affected by soil pH, soil aeration, and other nutrients. So if it's locked up in the soil, you should consider foliar spray of 100% water-soluble product, such as AminoGrow Maxi Iron. AminoGrow Maxi Manganese 10%. It has 10% manganese, 7.5% nitrogen. It's organic certified. It's amino acid based. It's very easy to uptake by trees. It's 100% water soluble product. Please consider AminoGrow products. They are organic certified, they are amino based, they are 100% water soluble. You can foliar spray them. They have a very good range and they provide your trees with available nutrients without getting locked up in the soil. They come in bags of 25 kilograms. In terms of soil amendments, I consider two options here. One of them is gypsum, one of them is lime. We know that macadamia likes acidic soil. Gypsum has EcoFlow gypsum is a fast liquid, fast acting liquid. It has 19% calcium, 15% sulfur, and it's a liquid clay breaker. It increases the level of exchangeable calcium and it reduces the level of exchangeable sodium, magnesium, potassium. It reduces the pH and the application rate would be different for different types of soil. You need to do the soil test. You need to understand what's the soil pH and how much extra exchangeable sodium you have and how low your exchangeable calcium is, and then you can decide how much gypsum you need to apply. This product also comes in 15 liters and also IBC. EcoFlow Lime is a product, it's another soil amendment that we can apply. It has 40% calcium. It's fast acting liquid. It's very fine and it can really get into the soil and fix the situation easily. It increases the calcium level. It increases the pH. As we said, macadamia like acidic soil. So you need to test the soil first and realize what's the issue, what's the pH range. If you have massive calcium deficiency and soil pH is a lot less than what it should be, then you can consider lime application. And also this comes in two sizes as well, 15 liters and IBC. If you go to our website, you can find a technical brochure for all the products that we discuss. And the technical brochure explains the benefits of the application, typical analysis, application rate, dilution rate, compatibility with other chemicals, and all the information that you need to know before you decide which product and how to apply them. On top of that, we provide technical support. We have technical brochures specifically designed for a stress situation or post-harvest management. So I'm planning to record another session specifically for you guys to understand how we can find information on the website. If you actually watch that clip, you will know how to get technical brochures, articles, and time-lapse clips and the trials. If you couldn't find any of them on the website, please get in touch with us and we will provide them to you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We will love to have your feedback and your suggestion for next sessions. I will record another session with a focus on pests and diseases in macadamia. And yeah, again, thank you so much. And I hope you found these sessions helpful.